Well, so much for thinking gas would be cheaper down here. 505. Oh, coming up to the Harley shop. Wonder what they got going on today. I've never gone to the Harley shop during the event. Look at all the flags.
Wow.
Look at all the burnout marks in the road. Holy crap, somebody's been busy. Oh, they changed the name. High Octane Saloon. It used to be the Broken Spoke Saloon. Oh my god. Look at all the rubber on the road. It's ridiculous. We should have left Burnout. This fun spot, the world's largest arcade. They have world championships on classic arcades and stuff there. Because, be aware of motorcycles, drive safely. I thought I said because of motorcycles. So you can go down that way, down to the beach, but I think they have it blocked off because usually it's motorcycles only. I think even during the week. What are they building here?
As soon as you find the word tires, it smells like tires.
Oh, some big hotel or something? Wow, with a nice view. That's all new. We're here. Alright. It's $10 to park here, but I don't want to park here. We'll go to the usual spot where we park and see how much it is. I think it's more there. I think it's 20 bucks. But we'll see. Yeah, see, it's 20 bucks there. See, it's not super busy yet. So we can get down on the boardwalk and... Is that the Hells Angels? Yep. They're always in that one spot. Well, guys, the beach looks pretty empty. See, it's $20 there. We normally park up here. Let's go check it out. Yep. It's 10 bucks there too.
I don't like nobody's parked here.
I know, it must
Someone
be.
from Florida though.
Is there nobody around collecting money? I guess we'll just park.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
Look at this. What are you looking at? Reminds me of this.
Lots more burnouts. Just that turkey?
Oh,
They're just hanging out on that front lawn like he belonged there. Well, white caps on the water. Alright, one last ride through Weirs Beach, and we'll head home. 99th motorcycle week. We'll have to make a point to come down next year and spend more time and maybe more money. It'd be cool to come down and stay. I've never stayed down here for Bike Week.
Well, we could try one day.
Yeah? We could camp. No, I'm not doing that. The other thing is during Bike Week, good luck getting a hotel. Like, you gotta book it this year. People are already booking next year's hotel rooms. It's a cool old car. Welcome riders. It doesn't say bikers anymore. It used to say welcome bikers on those signs. Maybe the Can-Am Spider riders took offense to that. Oh, helicopter. You see it? It's pretty low. It sounds like that. Is that motorcycle doing that? It sounds like it has a turbo that's spooling up. Like I keep hearing a... It is! Hear it? Like whistling? Huh. I don't know if it is a turbo or not. I don't know what else it would be. Because that's exactly what it sounds like. Look, dude can barely reach the ground. Alright, last trip through the action. Oh, I hear the helicopter again. It goes right over the top of us. Here, wow. I could see the shadow of the rotor, the helicopter blades. Better do it if you're gonna do it there, buddy boy.
there we go.
That sounds good to me.
It's getting busier now.
Oh my god, yes. Oh my god.
That's America truck right there. Oh, I hear the police. I can't tell where it's coming from though.
That one.
Behind us? Maybe. Yeah, I was gonna say, I was thinking down that way. We had to go that way one year coming home from Bike Week, so it was a nasty accident that shut the road down up here. It was a long way around going that way. Oh, look at it, there's a cop with his lights on coming this direction. Oh, there's another one coming. Oh, the other one's gonna turn around. Go ahead, dude. Go. I knew what he wanted to do. You awake back there, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It doesn't make a cool sound when I do it. Plus, I think I just burnt $10 worth of gas.
Oh, blue sirens.
Yeah. Nope, that's an amber lamps.
Bring ambulance.
Motorcycle parking lot is full. Wow. Oh, I like that blue color of that Harley. Bro. Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. I guess that was the red motorcycle club. Every single one of them was red.